Good afternoon, all. I just got in the door from work. It is 5:30. No, is it? It can't be 5:30. No, it's 4:30. What did I do? I did a couple of things. I went to Whole Foods to return some things from Amazon, and then I went to the car wash because I got a new plate on my car. I finally got it in, and because I do this monthly thing in the car wash, it's $55 a month, and you can get a car wash every single day. It's awesome. Awesome. They do it. They take your car and they wash it. It's awesome. Awesome deal. And what else? Nothing. Did I get anything new and exciting? I did. I got a new Louis Vuitton wallet. Hold on. With a Coach. So pretty. It's like a crocodile, looks like. So pretty. I gotta change my wallet. I'm gonna change it now. Got the Coach wallet, and then I got a Louis Vuitton. I like the Coach. It's just really, really pretty. And here's my Louis. This is my first Louis Vuitton wallet. It's the unboxing of the Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. It's plain Jane, but it is pretty. Let's see how many pockets it has. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You know what it doesn't have though? It doesn't have a place to put like I guess you could put your license up here. But like whatchamacallit? A window. Oh, either does this one. I like a thing with a window. You know, with a window where you can put your license in it? This has got the strap. The Coach one has a little strap. Does the Louis Vuitton have a strap? I gotta see. Let me see. No, it doesn't come with a strap. Yeah, it doesn't come with a strap. Oh, that's so cute. Look at the little see the little logo on the little gold piece. How cute is that? It's a nice wallet though. And then it clicks, and then that's it. And there's a back pocket here, and there's a front pocket, and then it also has a front here. You can put cards here. I guess you can put your license and what you use all the time right here on the outside, and then it clicks. So that's my new Louis. Put it back in the box. I'm not really sure. I think I'm going to change to my Coach wallet, not my Louis yet. I like the Coach wallet. I want to try that. I don't know what kind of wallet I have in there now. I'm not really sure what I'm carrying right now. So this goes back in the box, in the closet. You know what else I also bought? I also bought these. I got them for a good deal. The Beats, they were on sale during the Amazon Prime Day. They were $100. Not bad whatsoever. I haven't even opened them. They're pink. I gotta try them. Haven't even opened them. But I use my earpods all the time, my Apple earpods when I'm at the gym. But I bought these, I don't know, because I could, so I bought them. Just an impulse buy as usual. But this was a good impulse buy. So I got this. Isn't this nice? Look at this bag. I got it at H&M. You know how much? It's got a long strap and a short strap. The canvas. It's big too. You can carry a lot of stuff in it. $14.99. Who's got it better than me? That was good. $14.99. And that's it, my friends. I gotta do some editing now. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I have to do a video because I have some boxes that I gotta do. And I will check in with you in a little. See you in a little.